In this video, I'm going to teach you how to restore iPhone contacts from iCloud backup. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you two primary methods to restore your iPhone contacts from an iCloud backup. So to start, you can use iCloud.com. So all that you have to do is open a web browser and go to iCloud.com. In there, sign in with your Apple ID. Once you are successfully signed into your account, go over to Contacts. So click on the Contacts icon and access the gear icon, which is the settings on the bottom left corner. Choose Data Recovery and then Restore Contacts. You will see a list or versions of specific backups that you have made previously, and all that you have to do is choose the corresponding one. So select the backup version that you want to restore from. Once you click Restore, the contacts should appear and they will be synced up to your Apple ID or your Apple account. Alternatively, you can also do this using your iPhone. So if the iCloud method does not work, or you want to try doing this on your iPhone, then ensure that iCloud Sync is on. Go over to Settings, choose your name, and then access the iCloud settings. Make sure that Contacts is ticked on, and as long as Contacts are enabled, you can turn off and on again. So turn off Contacts in the iCloud settings, choose Keep on my phone, and then turn Contacts back on. Next, select Merge, and this will essentially synchronize your contacts from iCloud to your iPhone. With this done, they should appear from the most recent backup that you have, and they will be saved into your Apple account. If none of these methods work, make sure that the backup that you are choosing from actually has the contact saved. And if it still does not work, then sadly there are no other alternatives. I hope I was able to help you on how to restore iPhone contacts from iCloud backup. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.